This is Matt from Ladder Cars YouTube channel. As you can see, I have a flat tire. I'm going to show you how to fix this. For this repair, we need a scissor jack, a T-bar, and a plug kit, and a soapy water, and a portable tire inflator. In this case, we most likely have a nail or a screw in the tire. Before we jacked up the car, we gotta pump up the tire because air is important for this repair. Let's start pumping up the tire. I'm gonna get up the tire inflator, and I'm gonna get up to the stem valve. And let's turn on the inflator on. And I'm gonna adjust it to the PSI. Our tire pressure is only 6.5 PSI. Alright, let's start. I'm gonna pump it to 32 PSI. Now we have reached 35 PSI. I'm going to turn the inflator off. I put a little bit more air in the tire because when we pull out the nail, we're going to lose air. The air is going to shoot out. Now it's time to jack the car up. Remember, before jacking up the car, you got to loosen up all the lock nuts. Otherwise, the car can roll off the jack. Alright guys, I'm done with loosening up all the nut nuts. Now I can jack the car up. We gotta jack up the car 2-3 inches off the ground. Really good. Alright, we remove all the lock nuts. We're gonna set them aside. And we're gonna take off the wheel. We're gonna spray down the tire with soapy water. We're gonna spin the tire until we find the leak. I see that nail right here. Let me see if there's a leak. You can see the bubbles. It bubbles up right there. Alright, we found the nail. Now we can remove it. You can use a flat screwdriver to pry it out. Before you guys pry out the nail, you gotta get your plug ready. Grab your plug pusher tool and take one of these plugs. And then only one left here. It's pretty sticky. And push it through the slot on the pusher tool. And pull it halfway. Okay, this is ready. Just put it, set it aside. Now we can go ahead and pry out the nail. This is gonna be real difficult to pry it out. Air is shooting out. Alright, that's the screwdriver, broken screwdriver. After you remove the screw, take your reamer and push it in the This is the hardest part. You gotta turn it right and left and up and down. You gotta smooth out the hole so that the plug can seal it completely. soon as we pull the reamer out, we're gonna push the pusher plug in. Push the plug until the a quarter of it stays out the tire. Then you're gonna pull the pusher plug firmly outside. Now I'm gonna cut the remaining part of the plug using a knife. See, now it's nice and even with the tire. Now we can verify no leak in there. It's good, but you want to make sure you have no leaks the rest of the tire. So I'm gonna keep spraying down on the rest of the tire. Looks like we have no other leaks. Very good. Now we can mount the wheel back on the car. We should snug up the lock nuts using a star panel. I'm gonna tighten down all the lock nuts completely when I put the car down. We tightened down all the lock nuts. We're good to go now. Hopefully this video is helpful for you. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and comment. You have a nice day.